It has been a while now that I have had to push the hatch closed very hard or many times, and finally the program would start. But now it refuses to start at all, so I guess the switch is now completely dead. And I will check now this with a multimeter. This is a simple on-off micro switch that I can test using this meter. There is some oxidization on those connectors, and if I press this like 50 times, then I get some kind of a intermittent connection. So I guess there could be some oxidization inside the switch, but this doesn't look like this is a serviceable part. It is molded together. It has these pins that are melted, and it is holding this together. So I have no way to find a new switch right now. I have some laundry inside to be washed, so I've made this one. Looks very nice. So now the assembly is back there, and I have to put the screws back. It's a bit difficult because they are so deep down in there, but with a magnetic tip of a screwdriver it is much easier. And now I have to put this shield back, and this is important because it covers the electrical connections, and so this has to be installed back. And this is a bit tricky because it has a screw on here, and now the machine is happy to think that the inner hatch is closed and everything is ready to go. Just bear in mind that by doing this you can actually flood your house if you forget the inner hatch open. But anyway, you know what is best for you. I have this machine in the shower room, so it doesn't matter if I forget the hatch open. But anyway, thank you very much for watching.